how to crochet a chain. This is how a chain looks like. Here I have already crocheted a chain of 11. Let me show you how to make this chain. To begin, you will have to first start by making a slip knot. Remember, a slip knot that we learned in the previous lesson. Let's make it again today. Start by placing the thread over one of your fingers. Roll the thread around your finger so that there is an X that is being made. Pull the back thread over the front thread so that a knot is being made. This is your slip knot. Now tighten the knot a little. Now here is where we start the process of making a chain. Place your crochet hook inside the knot like this. I'm taking the crochet hook and I'm putting it inside the knot. Can you see? Let me show you again. Just the front part of the knot where the hook is, just put it inside like this. Now pull the crochet thread, the yarn, so that it's tightly, the knot is tight on the hook. Next you need to learn how to hold the yarn. This is the hand formation I generally use. As you crochet, you will probably adapt it to your style, but for the time being, this is how I'm going to show how I hold the yarn. Begin by rolling the yarn over the finger, just like you do in the slip knot. Take your thumb and your middle finger, tighten it, and hold your slip knot on your hook. Okay, let's do this. Take the yarn over the finger like this and hold the thumb, make a pinch. It's like making a pinch. Hold the slip knot using your thumb and your middle finger. Now what you do is this hook, pull it below the thread, pull the thread. Can you see? There's a hole of the slip knot. Pull the thread through the slip knot, and that is how your chain looks like. This is a chain made. Let's do that again. Take your hook, take it down like this so that you have hooked the thread and put it through the hole, and that's your chain number 2. Let's do that again. Roll your hook under the thread so that you hook the thread and you pull it and push it down the hole. You're actually pushing it down the knot that you're making. So that's your 3rd chain made. Once again we do it. Pull it round, push it. That's your 4th chain. Try again. That's your 5th chain. This is your 6th chain. This is your 7th chain. This is your 8th chain. This is your 9th chain. All you're doing is you're putting the hook below the thread and hooking it so that the thread is going inside the knot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more chain to make. Same way, go around the thread, pull it down, and that's how you make a chain. Any project, whether it's a garment or a bag, will start with a chain. So this is one of the most, you can't really proceed without learning how to chain in crochet. So make sure you practice this. Yes. Keep practicing until the next lesson.